In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unstake or how to withdraw the money from staking on Kraken. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users. So all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. So in my case, I have some money on staking, and to withdraw it, you just need to go to earn and scroll down. As you can see, this is the money I have on staking. I have some Bitcoin, some Solana and some Ethereum, and you just need to click your staking, for example Solana. As you can see, I have only $2 on this staking, and you just need to click the three dots, and as you can see, we can unstake the money right here. So if I click right here, I will withdraw the money and I will get it directly on my wallet right here, so I could withdraw it to any other platform or to my bank account or do whatever I want with the money. Because if you have the money right here, you won't be able to move it, but you will be getting rewards every day or every week. So in my case, I'm not going to unstake it, but that's the process you need to follow. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.